At the Highbridge put-in, and here's all the information about what they charge here and that sort of thing. Nice parking area. The box where you pay is up there in the front. Here's how you come in. Mostly people do kayaks here. Here's Mark here down the ramp. Here's how you make the circle on the ramp. It's going to be a wonderful August day here at the Highbridge Boat Ramp. This ramp can be really slick when it's wet. You have four-wheel drive. There's your kayakers. And there is Lock 7, the hydroelectric park. Here's Mark down on the Kentucky River at Highbridge. There is Highbridge, and here's the Dixie Belle paddle wheeler at Shaker Landing. Now we're going to head upstream. We are under Highbridge. We got 81.9 on the surface temperature Fahrenheit, and on the bottom I got my Clinefinder running. We're running 67.3 degrees on the bottom here at the end of August and 18 foot of water. That's pretty cool temperatures, so we know a lot more than we did before I tested it. Well, here is Highbridge. We're in the Dix River looking out the Kentucky River at Highbridge. We got 81.7 here water temperature on the surface, and let's see if we can get this to where somebody can read it. I hope you can read that. It's 65.2 on that thing right there. Let's see if I can get the 65, there we go, 65.2 on the bottom. Palisades of the Dix River. Out here in the boat with Mark. It's about as pretty now going up this Dix River as you could ever imagine. This is the river that Daniel Boone ran from the Indians on. Here we are up at the bend of the Dix where the waterfall comes in, and the sign tells you about no live bait above this point. And I cast over here where the waterfall bar is, and I got me a really nice bass here. It's about a little over 2 pounds. You're going to get him off here. What a big time. What a big time. Well, here you see it's 79.9 on the surface and 64.5 on the bottom. Here where the waterfall comes in on the Dix River at the Palisades, the bark is going after the big ones.
I'm surprised we haven't seen more variety of wildlife though.
I saw a kingfisher, and I've heard a hawk. Yeah, we're up in here, 79 degrees, about 9 foot deep.
This looks like a turtle day too though, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Here Mark's back here trying to catch the big ones. He's had a pretty good, really good bites.
Sun on the log or something.
I'm trolling a Rapala here. And there is no prettier place in Kentucky than the Dix River Palisades going up this gorge. It is as good as it gets. Watch this rod tip in here, see if we can get just a Highbridge striper or a 10-pound trout. Using the Zebco Z03 on the Bass Pro Shops boron rod. 6-pound test trilene sensation copolymer line. And we're about to come up to the swampiest mesh you've ever seen, which is the backwaters. There's the backwaters right there. More later. Well, here we are making that last run up towards the dam. Still about 7 foot of water. 72 degrees and dropping. Mark is attempting to catch the largest fish in the river. And we may just have to tie it to the side of the boat. It's going to be so big. I don't know what we're going to have to do when we get it on. There's a bunch of kayaks out here with us. What a fine day. Got a big gravel bar coming up. We'll see what this gravel bar does. Here you go. This is down imaging on the Lowrance TI2. Isn't that incredible? Absolutely. And there's a fish over at that red spot. It's a fish over it. And Mark back here, he's going to catch one of those fish is what he's going to do. And there's upstream towards Herrington Dam. Little smallmouth I just pulled out of the water here. It's a pretty little thing. And you can see we're in a nice little hump here where it was. You can get a better shot of it there, what size it is. Got it on the Rapala. The Dix River Palisades. And you can see how beautiful this is. What Kentucky looked like before Herrington Lake was dammed up. Mark catching the big ones here. Daniel Boone's Woods and Campsite right over here. It is so pretty. Black vultures must be working a spot coming in to roost. That is incredible. Well, here we have some giant boulders coming up on the Lowrance with the HD sonar. And I mean to tell you, those are boulders off the cliff right there. Just like those over on the bank. Down here on the Dix River, wrapping it up today. Mark in the back of the boat after the big ones. Looking for a fish. Rocks on the bank. And we're heading home. Another wonderful day here in Kentucky.